Hello children, welcome to your English grammar class. I'm Momita and today I'm going to discuss about letters of cancelling order. Now this is also one of the subtypes of letters based on situation. Now in letters based of situation, as I've already told you in my previous videos, that in your letters based of situation you may have letters of placing order, letters of cancelling order, letters of complaint and letters of inquiry, right? So today we are going to do the second type, that is letters of cancelling order. Now let us see what exactly it is. Now letters of cancelling order is that you have placed an order but now you do not want the order to be delivered. Maybe the quality that they promised to give you, they are not giving that quality, or maybe in most of the cases it is because of the commitment made in regards of time. They committed to deliver the product in a week or in a month, and then they were not been able to do so, so you are compelled to cancel the order. Now let us see how to write order cancellation letters. Now this is a specimen of order cancelling order letter. You are the librarian of Sunshine Public School, Chennai. You had placed an order for textbooks with Yogi Bookstall. Since the books did not arrive on time, you have decided to cancel the order. Write a letter to the manager cancelling the order. Now this is the name of the center. This is the sender's address, Sunshine Public School, Chennai. Then you write the date, 20th October 2020. Mrs. Yogi Bookstall, Chennai. This is the address of the addressee. Now salutation, dear sir, and after that you write the subject. Subject is what? Cancellation of order number. Now remember one thing, while you are cancelling an order you need to provide an order number and the date on which the order was made, right? So A12 by 2 by 24, this is the order number or the bill number, dated 1st September 2020. So the order was given on 1st October, order was made on 1st September 2020. Now the letter starts. What have I written here? We deeply regret to inform you that due to your failure in honoring your commitments to deliver the order by 1st October 2020, we are compelled to cancel the purchase order number A12 by 2 by 24, dated 1st September 2020. So here it is being said that we regret to inform you that we are cancelling the order. Why? Because of your failure in honoring your commitment. You had committed that you would deliver the order by 1st October 2020, right? And it is 20th October. The letter is being written on 20th October. So 20 days have passed after the last date of delivering the order, and now the buyer is cancelling the order because of too much of delay of delivery. We have already placed another order for the same books. There would be a "the" here, for the same books with a different seller. So another order has already been made with a different seller. No further correspondence in this regard will be entertained. So it's written here that no further correspondence means no further letter would be entertained. We are not going to accept any other letter and we don't want to talk about this. So the order remains cancelled and that is final, and no further correspondence in this regard will be entertained, and the matter is closed for once and all. So we are closing this matter. We are not going to listen to this thing again. We also regret to inform you that as a precautionary measure we have decided not to be associated with you in future. So here again the writer is telling that they are not going to be associated in future with the same seller. They are closing all, they are not going to make any deal with the same seller because they cannot honor their commitment, right? And the letter ends here, thanking you, yours faithfully, Ravi. Now see, students, I have made this letter, I have written this letter in a way that you can use it in any letter, be it cancellation of books, be it cancellation of orders related to electrical appliances, be it cancellation of anything. I have not written anything about the product. We deeply regret to inform you that due to a failure in honoring your commitments to deliver the order, just change the order date and order number. We have already placed another order for the same books. You can write the same electrical appliances with a different seller. No further correspondence, then the same thing can be written for all cancelling order, right? So for your benefit, it is advisable that you go through this, learn it, and use the same writing in any kind of cancellation order. It has been made in a way so that you can use the same format, same writing for whatever cancellation order you write, right? So this is all about cancelling order. Hope you enjoyed the video and you can write your own cancellation order. Thank you.